How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to deal with narcissists, haters, and jealous people. We know that narcissists are jealous people. They are envious of others. They believe others are envious of them. Now, if you're dealing with a narcissist, if you're dealing with a hater, if you're dealing with a jealous person, what you should do, number one, is to avoid taking it personally. Know that when someone is jealous of you, when a narcissist, a hater is jealous of you, it has nothing to do with you. It has everything to do with them. So don't allow anybody to crush your confidence. Don't allow a narcissist, a hater, a jealous person to affect your confidence or to affect your self-esteem, to create self-doubt in you. Don't allow a jealous person, a narcissist, a hater to gaslight you. So keep doing what you're doing. Don't allow anybody to stop you because of jealousness, because they're haters, because they're narcissists. So focus on people that support you. Focus on your support system. Focus on people who wish the best for you. Remind yourself every day that the jealous people, they're jealous because you're doing something very, very, very well. That's why they're jealous. So, number two way of dealing with a narcissist, a hater, a jealous person is to ignore that jealousness, is to ignore their hateful comments. Ignore them. I know it's very difficult to ignore a hater, a jealous person, a narcissist. But when you ignore their comments, when you ignore the comments of jealous people, of these haters, of these narcissists, what you're communicating to them is that you're not going to validate their feelings. So be cool, be calm, be collected, and ignore those hateful comments that they throw at you. Sometimes you want to ignore them, but it's not easy. What do you do in this situation? Face them eyeball to eyeball. It will help you release that jealous tension. Have a talk with them, face-to-face talk. Have a conversation with them, with that jealous person. Confront them about their behavior. Confront that narcissist, that hater, about their jealous behavior. Ask them what they would wish you to do to help create a good environment between the two of you. You can tell them that you appreciate what they are talking about you, their criticisms, but tell them that you think they're a little bit too harsh on you. Now, another way of dealing with these jealous people, with these haters, is with the narcissist, to reduce your interactions with them. Limit your interaction with the narcissist, with the hater, with the jealous person. If possible, change your environment. That will reduce the jealous person's ability to influence you. So, stick and hang out with people who support you. That way the hater is not able to confront you when you're with a group. When they see you with some support system, with a group, they will not confront you. They will keep away. So when you see the jealous person, be the first person to speak with, speak to them politely, greet them politely, then move on. You can also become friends with their friends to make them feel like the outsider. So if a hater, a narcissist is jealous of you, you can be friends with their friends. That way you make them feel like the outsider. That's another tactic of dealing with haters and jealous people. You can also change your routine so that you don't meet that hater, so that you don't cross paths with the narcissist, with those jealous people. Change your path when walking. Change the normal route that you take. Change it. Go shopping in a different mall, in a different shop. Go hang out in a different joint. Change your schedule. Change how you do things. That way you don't cross paths with that hater, with that jealous person. Then you can also deal with that narcissist, that hater, that jealous person by setting boundaries. You don't need to listen to that jealous person vent to you all the time. So sometimes you need to put boundaries, set boundaries in place to distance yourself from this person. This way you are taking good care of your well-being, of your mental health. Give yourself time when you talk to them. And sometimes you can just walk away from them and tell them that you need to go check out something. So be careful when you're talking with the hater, the narcissist, the jealous person. Listen to their to what they tell you, their negative comments, and be ready to walk away from them. Have boundaries in place and make sure you put consequences as well, and enforce those boundaries. Now, another way of dealing with a hater, a jealous person, let them know that you don't appreciate their negativity. You're not rude, but let them know that you're not going to tolerate their negativity on you. You can tell them that you feel uncomfortable with the way they talk to you, with the way they speak to you. Tell them that you don't like their approach. You can, when you do that, you're able to deal with that narcissist, that hater, with that jealous person. You can also help them overcome their jealousy. No. Remember, make sure you keep your interactions with them positive. You can show them a better way to handle situations by showing them an example. You can compliment them on their positive traits. All right? That way you're helping them overcome their jealousy. You can also offer to help them improve their skills in an area that they're jealous of you. You can be kind to them in all your interactions. That way you help them overcome that jealousy they have with you. Now, you can also connect with them about your personal struggles. Tell them about your negative experiences, because they think they're the only ones who have negative experiences. So open up about your own personal challenges, pitfalls, failures, negative experiences. This will help that jealous person, that hater, that narcissist know that they're not alone, and it might improve your relationship. So you can share time that you failed at something. Discuss with them tasks that are difficult for you. Ask them to help you with something to make you feel confident. So you can also help them improve themselves, because sometimes jealousness comes from feeling inferior. You can also offer alternatives. If someone is jealous of you because of what you have, because of what you've accomplished, because of your success, because of what you're doing, you can show them more options as alternatives. Then many more options will lessen their jealousness. So another way of dealing with that jealous person is to avoid bragging so much. Don't post inflammatory comments or pictures on social media. You don't have to stop using your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, your YouTube, Twitter, but ask yourself, how are they perceiving what you're posting? Are they finding you offensive? Is it creating jealousness? So you need to understand jealousness. You need to know what jealousy is. People normally get jealous when they feel that someone else has something that should be theirs. When someone thinks you have something that should belong to them, then they're jealous. And people who are jealous, they'll often blame others around them, rather than recognizing the emotion that is making them feel hurt. So a jealous person will always blame others around them. They don't look within them. So ask yourself, what is this source of this person's jealousy? Because most jealousy comes from fears. The fear of being disrespected, the fear of not being loved. So what fear is fueling the jealousy from this person? Why are they jealous? Is it because of social status? Is it because of material things, physical objects, that is, personal relationships, professional positions? So you need to know what is the source of their jealousy. You can also ask directly what is bothering them. If someone is hating on you or your success, ask them why. You can tell them that you've noticed them, they're acting very different around you. Ask them if you've done something that bothered them. You can just tell them that you want to make sure you've not upset them. So, there's a thin line between jealousy and criticism. You need to be careful, about that as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video.